Here we are at the beautiful brand new Holiday Inn Express in Harbor Springs, Michigan, where we installed this new shotcrete swimming pool with deck drains around the entire perimeter, tip to water grab rail. We've got step nose tiling. We've got the cobalt blue tile depth markers. We've got the cool blue diamond bright pool finish, which is beautiful. Here is the pool capacity sign, pool rules. We've got really nice signage here. Owners did a great job. Super large writing over here. We've got the safety equipment, which includes the safety hook, which is called a shepherd's hook, on a solid pole. Real nice 911 emergency phone sign. Over here's first aid kit. Got the safety rope, safety float. Got the neck support. And here we've got the ADA chairlift. Of course, the emergency phone is here. Real nice phone they got. And they've got safety control lids for their temperature control. Here is the shower with its own floor drain. They've got the hose outlet right here on the floor, perfect spot. We've got the drinking fountain with a bottle fill. Just a beautiful pool. It goes from 3.5 feet to 5 foot deep. I believe it's about 27 feet long, 15 feet wide. And I'll take you into the equipment room. We just finished it up, so we got a little water on the floor. But here is the eye wash station. We've got our autofill here. That is hooked to the return line, which has a valve here. Up here is the RPZ valve. That's a big thing. You gotta have that for your fill line. And right here is a drain. Goes into the sanitary sewer. That's a 6-inch line. And their deck drains are going into this sump crock that pumps into the sanitary. This is our backwash line right here. Our filter. This is a standard chlorine feeder, the HC3315. Here's our flow meter. Real nice flow viz. Can't get clogged like the other ones. We've got a throttle valve, our pump. There's our 2 suction lines. This is our lights, our transformer. And right here is our charger for our ADA lift. And our pool heater. It's actually working. They got to put the door back on it still. But then they have the venting pipe going up out of the wall. They did the venting really well. They've got an upper vent to let fresh air in and a lower vent to let fresh air in. It makes its own system of air movement in here. So then they have the fresh air for the room. The HVAC air conditioning heating unit, dehumidifier overhead, so it leaves a lot of space in the room. This room height looks like it's about 10 to 11 feet tall. Here is the power meter, or I'm sorry, the power breaker box. Away from everything, it's in a great location. There's nothing around it. In this room size, I would say, just by guessing, is probably 10 by 18, and it's beautiful, especially with the system so high in the air over our head. We got lots of room in here. So this is a perfect layout. There's a fan up there for a pool equipment room for a hotel. Thank you.